I bought this 1989 Kawasaki 650 stand-up, and I cleaned the carburetor and I rode it one time.
Why did you clean it?
Because someone left ethanol fuel in it, and it rusted the carburetor heavily. Input asset. Look at this. And it was really nice when I rode it until the oil injection pump down here, which my buddy behind the camera, Peter, said you have to replace that. It will blow your motor up. Well, funnily enough, it ended up blowing my motor up. So if you look in the cylinder here, there's some atrocious scarring in there. That's wrecked.
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
What were the compression numbers? I don't remember.
100. Which
about
is
100, which
surprising,
is pretty
that,
bad.
honestly.
Yep.
So if I wanted to get that fixed, I'd have to send it to a machine shop, which is like $300. I don't want to do that.
Nope.
Because it ran out of oil, so maybe the bottom end's wrecked. We don't even know.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. So,
Yeah. I never thought of that.
Right. So I have a guy that I know. His name's Zach. Shout out Zach. Hey Zach. He sold me a complete motor with a good bottom end that sounds nice and smooth. A 38 millimeter carburetor with a West Coast intake and an air box for $300. So this is the bottom end here. This is the cylinder. This is the jug.
Yep.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, the cylinders look okay.
It's totally honable. We're gonna hone it today.
These pistons that came out of it, on the other hand,
yeah,
are not.
I don't know how that happened.
Nope.
Yeah, maybe got hot. But anywho, getting the jug off of this was an absolute nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
Pete, I, and my uncle, I said that wrong, we're all beating on this for like 2 days straight, trying to get it off, and it did not work. So the method we found out was if you actually hit it off of the vise and it falls onto the floor and gouges your concrete with the end of the crank, it actually comes off really easily.
Yep. So all these
Whoops.
scratches.
That's from the concrete.
Yep. Yeah. It landed. It was facing the other way, and it
Right.
landed there.
Right. So,
But it shocked this enough, and all these things are over 30 years old now, and all this corrosion is what was holding that thing up.
Mm-hmm.
So the shock of it hitting the ground.
Yes, which was expertly installed.
Yes. They got that off.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them the head that came off your
Oh,
stock
sure,
engine?
yeah. So I didn't do this. This must have been from another life because my engine didn't swallow anything. It just exploded from the inside.
Yeah, I don't know.
So that's no good.
Yeah, that's spark plug or
Just something wrong.
Yeah, I don't know.
Something really wrong.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna hone the cylinders and we're gonna make it hopefully seal up nice and good because I have some pistons in the mail.
So pro tip for getting these pins off of your rods is you take your MAP gas torch and you put it up under here and on this rod end, and it expands that, and they slide out.
Correct.
Very
I saw
easily.
it firsthand. It was wonderful.
So.
Yeah. So we're gonna hone the cylinder now.
Yep. All right.
Now Peter is gonna hone the cylinders.
Yep.
He's my honing tech because he's good at it. We just refreshed my YZ and he did a wonderful job. So there's big shoes to fill.
Yep. So this is a mixture of kerosene and ATF.
Yep.
Kerosene acts as a lubricant and cleaning agent, and the ATF is also your lubricant.
Right.
Funnily enough, ATF is mostly a detergent.
Wow.
So this is going to be cleaning and lubricating the cylinder all at the same time. Matea told me what size this hone was, and I don't remember what it is.
It's a 77 through 83 millimeter, and my bore is currently 76.25 millimeters because it's bored over one time.
Yep. So this is probably a little too big for the application,
Right.
but I didn't want one that was too small.
Right.
And wouldn't, put a good cross hatch in there.
And it's not like half a millimeter is going to affect this. It's not really a precision instrument.
No, well, that's really huge.
Yeah. Oh?
It's huge.
Yeah, no, like if you really think about it.
So I have this on an angle in the vise. I would do it straight up and down, but it's like chest level and it's kind of uncomfy. So this is more for my preference.
Right.
So I'm gonna put this here, kind of get it started in there. And so what I did just there, you don't really want to do, but the hone's too big, and that's the way we're gonna have to do it. I'll clean it up in post.
Right. Yeah. In editing.
So this is gonna fling shit all over your garage. So make sure
You're not wearing anything nice.
Right.
You want me to hold a rag?
Nope, it's just going to do what it's going to do.
Yeah, let's just get in there.
So when you're doing this, you want to have this at a constant speed, and you're always moving. You never want to stop.
Do that motion again?
Nope.
Okay.
So let's just do this.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it's not going in.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay. All right.
Now it's all the way in.
Choose the correct size for your bore.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's about the speed and motion that you're looking for.
Yep.
Consistent.
The drill just died. You don't want you make sure you're
hit the trigger on it. Is it actually dead or is it overloaded? I think it's overloaded.
So when you come out, you want to stay on the gas.
Right.
Like we said, you don't want to stop. Like we did the 4 times that we did.
Right.
But this will still turn out pretty good. We'll get a rag and wipe this. And
Yeah. We're just that was a how-to of not what not to do.
Yeah. This is do as we say, not as we do.
Correct.
Yep.
Yep.
As Freiberger likes to say, don't get it right, just get it wrong.
Correct.
Yep.
Do you want a fresh battery?
Possibly.
Okay. Let me see if the other one's fresher. Is that 3 or 4? That's 4.
It's gonna need another pass.
Yeah.
But it looks pretty good.
Oh, it sure does.
It's better than that.
Yeah, spiffy. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Can you take that battery out for me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm limited on hands. Well, oh! Didn't even get that on camera. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh.
This is a gross prop. Oh, let's make sure we short that out.
Oh yeah. No, it's just cleaning. Yeah, shit. All right. Nice.
So that was now that you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
It becomes easier to do.
Right.
Not every application is going to be very simple and easy, but actually, that concoction is cleaning up your mating surface.
Yeah, you bet, dude.
So.
Oh.
Yeah,
hey, it's not.
So
Let's see if I can see some hatching. Oh yeah, that's not too bad at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, right on. It really cleans up when you
when you
take a shower. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
coming from that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think? One more pass on that one?
Yeah, we'll do one more pass.
Okay. All right.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good idea to let these soak for maybe a day or so.
Yeah.
Just to, absorb the stuff up into the hones.
Yeah.
Like this is really not the right way to be doing this. You really want to send this to a machine shop, but we don't have that kind of money.
No. This is a cheap machine and cheap rebuild. This is a we can do it, not we should do it.
Right.
Well, that sure was swell.
Yeah, like this is a very
there's
messy
some
process.
ATF on me.
Yeah, my short.
Yeah, we're lubricated right now.
Yeah.
No diddy. Dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's much better.
Yeah.
So that'll. We're not trying to make this thing a race car.
No, it just needs to run.
Race boat. Race boat. Race PWC.
Right. Yeah. That's what I would say. I think there's a little bit of evidence of our
stoppage.
Our aggressive entry. However, it sure looks a lot better than it was.
Yeah, this is just to seat the rings back in when we put the pistons in.
Yeah.
This was,
Yeah.
we don't ride these things enough to where we need to worry about, it's just go ride it on the weekend. That's
Yep.
it.
I would just like to ride it actually because
When
I
it's
haven't done it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funnily enough, I bought one like 2 weeks later.
And it runs great.
It runs great.
Yep, I suck.
As soon as I knew I was going to buy it, I ordered a oil block off kit for it.
Yep, that's what you should do.
Yep. So, are we gonna show them like the dry pipe mod and? That
Oh
kind of stuff?
yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, they would.
I mean, that's pretty well covered on YouTube.
Oh no, they're yearning to hear about it from us.
Sure.
They're trusted sources.
Right. Oh, I hate doing this.
Yeah, it smells good though.
Nope, it does not.
Nope,
It
not
smells like
really.
work.
Yeah, and Mercon 5 ATF smells awful.
Yep.
Whoa. Get in there. Yeah. Look at him go. Yeah, right on.
And this is probably common knowledge, but I feel obligated to say it. When you're done and you go to store this thing, spray it down with some WD-40 or something.
Some caulking oil at least.
Yeah, you're putting the time and effort into doing this. Just, you don't want to do it again.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and they sit in the water all year long, or at least with water in or around them.
Right.
They want to rust. Don't let them.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good.
I think we'll do 3 passes on this one as well.
For sure. Yeah, looks pretty good.
So.
Yeah.
It's just very messy.
Yeah, no kidding. Wear some clothes you don't care about.
Yep. Maybe some shoes that you don't worry about.
Yeah.
Or socks like he does.
Yeah.
He's got the slide game on lock.
Dude, I'm locked in. Oh, damn. That's really messy.
Yep.
Okay.
You could also you can use pretty much anything you want for this. This is just what I've always used. I usually like to use diesel oil, but I had kerosene on hand.
We had to get rid of it.
Yeah. So diesel oil will work for this. You could use motor oil. You could use WD-40. You can use whatever you want. I know this is not the right way to do this, and it's probably not the right mixture of shit.
Right.
But this is gonna run.
Yeah, and that's what I like. I would like it to run.
Right. Running is better than a fucking anchor in your garage.
That is correct. It is a purple and yellow anchor.
Yeah. Which, are you gonna want to address that at some point?
Yeah. How many strokes are you counting?
I'm not counting.
Okay.
I'm going by feel.
Yeah. Whenever it feels good.
I just, like I said, this is not very scientific.
Right.
If this was going into a race ski, you probably would want to be counting your strokes.
Yeah, no kidding.
Writing it down and
just
measuring
like golf.
the bore. And
yeah.
This is not that.
No. Yeah, once we get later down the line, we might have to do something about the cosmetic condition. Because the bottom needs some touching up.
Yeah.
And the paint is like, what were we thinking?
Let me see that.
Uh-huh.
So, I mean...
Oh, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
What was it, your fingernail?
That was just my fingernail. I mean...
That looks pretty good.
That's just stains.
Yeah, that's just oil.
Yep. So...
Yeah. Yeah, one more and I think we'll be good to go. Yep.
It's not going to be perfect.
Nope. But it'll hold the rings better than it did. Yep.
And did you order 76 1/4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they should be here. They're supposed to be here tomorrow, but I guess shipping from Norfolk, Virginia isn't very good right
Where did
now.
you order from?
Bay Area Power Sports.
Perfect.
Yep.
Wherever and whoever you are, he asked me, he said, should I order from eBay? I said, well, this is a dying sport, and since I have bought one of those, I've been looking at parts for them, and there's no one left. Like, West Coast is gone.
PJs.
Ocean Pro, they're gone.
Yeah.
And I found out that ride plate is an Ocean Pro on the one that I bought.
Really?
It's an Ocean Pro
ride
plate.
Yeah.
It needs a longer one, because the porpoise is bad.
You have to stand with, like, the pad in your nuts. But you can also get hull extenders. People do that a lot.
I don't want to drill into my hull.
Hey, dude, I know.
All right, just to please you, I counted 10 strokes on that.
All right.
So
yeah,
this should be good to go now.
Yeah, no kidding.
Now we're waiting on. Well, you know what we should do?
What?
We should probably put the studs in here.
Right.
And clean the mating surface.
Correct.
Get the engine out of the ski, because once we get the pistons, this is going to go together pretty quick.
And we're gonna want to slap it in there immediately. Yeah.
Because you're gonna want to come ride jet skis with me.
I would love to ride jet skis, funnily enough.
And your dad.
Yeah, my dad too. Yeah, that looks pretty darn good, dude.
Not bad.
I won't kid you around. So this is the aggressive grit one, right?
Yeah. So you could. So what? I don't know what grid is this. I remember the one for the YZ was 240. We were gonna order a 320 because the bore in the YZ.
Oh no, we ordered the sharp one for the YZ because we wanted it right now.
Right.
This is 320, I think. 340.
We were going riding like that weekend.
Yeah.
And this thing was.
It was a
blown
disaster.
apart.
There's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to make it better and I ended up fucking it up.
Yeah.
As per usual.
Yep. That's usually what happens in this garage.
Yeah, no kidding.
No, that's your good rag.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
There's really nothing else to do.
Nope,
to
nope,
wait
that's
for
it.
For yourself to get here. You can show them your new head you're gonna put on.
Oh yeah.
Comparison.
Yeah, no, this one's not blown apart by a spark plug.
That's what a good one's supposed to look like.
Yeah, no kidding.
So.
And it's red, so it's gonna be really quick.
Mine is red.
Oh, hey, yeah. Yeah, hey now. Yep. Well, that's how you do it, folks. We're gonna go now.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yep.